Hello, I'm Aaron Delp, and I'm going to show you the benefits of building an end-user computing solution on Nutanix. Whether your project is virtual desktops and apps or desktop as a service, Nutanix EUC enables IT teams to deploy and secure end-user apps and data quickly while adopting more flexible consumption models. Nutanix EUC solutions are reliable, providing increased availability, steady performance, and seamless expansion; agile, to enable your end-user devices from multi-cloud to on-premises; and secure, to enable a compliant infrastructure to prevent data theft and ransomware. Traditional VDI isn't up to the challenge of providing a modern experience. Even worse, poorly designed implementations pose security, business continuity, and DR risks. Nutanix solves the challenges of traditional virtual desktop implementations. Up until now, VDI projects have been complex and slow, CapEx intensive, unpredictable, and vulnerable to data loss. Whether you decide to run your EUC in the cloud or in the data center, deploy end-user applications up to 8x faster with Nutanix than traditional implementations. Here's a few of the benefits of EUC applications on Nutanix. Building a modern EUC solution starts with a solid foundation. With Nutanix HCI, start small and grow as needed. As you can see here, we have 3 hosts in our cluster. When more capacity is needed, new infrastructure is automatically detected and seamlessly added. One common problem with virtual desktops and apps is performance at scale. As the environment grows, performance will actually degrade and reach a point of diminishing returns. With Nutanix HCI's data locality, this pitfall is avoided completely. Nutanix EUC solutions have been tested and proven to scale with linear performance from hundreds to thousands to tens of thousands of users without the need to re-platform along the way. With on-premises VDI solutions, once our infrastructure is in place, our next step is to build out the management and broker infrastructure. Creating these VMs with AHV is extremely simple. Just populate some basic fields about your VM. Once defined, advanced machine learning technology optimally places the VM on the best node in the environment. Now that our VDI management VMs are created, it's time to provide some storage services. Nutanix provides a complete set of data management features such as deduplication, compression, tiering, and erasure coding. As for VM creation, intelligent algorithms optimally place data for the best possible performance and maximum resiliency. This intelligent yet simple approach allows for a reduction in deployment time by up to 61%, with 2/3 less time spent on infrastructure management. Easily upgrade all infrastructure components, including hypervisors and hardware firmware, in just one click. For cloud-first initiatives, seasonal workloads, and contract or temporary employees, Nutanix XiFrame's desktop as a service is an ideal solution. Frame provides an OpEx consumption model by moving the control plane, commonly known as the broker, to the cloud. With desktop as a service, or Daas, each user gets a customized launchpad with the application and services they need. In this example, the user is provided a Windows 10 desktop. Administration of Frame is handled through the Frame dashboard. In this example, Frame is running on AWS. A sandbox is used to create a golden image or replica that is then provisioned quickly and easily. Frame provides access and control to only the applications needed for this user profile. This approach provides the benefit of instant-on provisioning of users, apps, and desktops, scaling from 0 to thousands of sessions quickly. Frame integrates with popular third-party authentication providers, and complete session analytics are included and can be filtered as needed for more granular insight into the environment. A proper file services solution is a critical component of EUC and VDI solutions. Things such as user profiles, user data, and departmental shares are all common. By consolidating with Nutanix files, the environment is greatly simplified, removing many common and often daily headaches for administrators. Configuration of Nutanix files is 2 easy steps. First, we create a file server on our cluster. Creating a new file server is as simple as entering a name and an amount of capacity, entering our network and DNS configuration, and choosing the file sharing protocol with the protocol options. By default, all data is protected with snapshots and replicated to a DR site if configured. Once we have a file server, we will create a file share on this server. To create the share, we will enter a few parameters, configure the size, and protocol for the share. For EUC environments, it is recommended to set the distributed share option. This will use all the file server instances available in the cluster to shard the user data for optimal performance. Nutanix has been trusted by thousands of customers to deploy millions of EUC applications. With Nutanix, building and operating EUC has never been easier, delivering virtual apps and desktops and elevating IT teams from a cost center to a business enabler. Thank you for your time.